What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Raw Tweety Lee and I'm sharing another video. Hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so I added a little water here because you want the consistency to kind of look like sour cream. And the turmeric I added gives it a nice golden color, that cheesy look. So here I'm going to lightly massage the cheese into the kale. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.